Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 5 of Preparing for Microsoft Power BI PL-300 exam series. This is your host, Aapka Consultant, bringing you episode 5, where we will be looking at question number 5 of this practice set 1. So, today's topic is on rule level security in Power BI. So, without further ado, let's quickly directly go to question number 5 on this practice set. And it says, when configuring role level security in Power BI, which of the following statements are true? You have to select two statements out of these five. Statement 1, RLS can only be configured in the Power BI service, not in Power BI desktop. Once published to Power BI service, RLS rules cannot be tested using test as role feature in Power BI desktop. RLS settings are automatically applied to all reports and dashboards that use the secure dataset within the Power BI service. RLS requires a Power BI Pro license for users to configure roles and rules within Power BI desktop. User roles and permissions for RLS can be assigned and managed in Power BI service after publishing the dataset. So yeah, these are the five questions. I'm gonna pause for 10 seconds and you can think which options are correct. So yeah, time's up. Let's see which options are correct. So these are C and E, basically talking about RLS, and we will be looking at the learn article and overview in uh, Power BI desktop as well. But mostly RLS settings are automatically applied to all the reports, and user roles and permissions can be assigned and managed in Power BI service after publishing the data set. So yeah, let's look at the explanation. So basically you can pause the video here and go through each of the options, why they are not correct, A, B and C on this slide. And this is next where D and E. So I've given the detailed explanation. You can go through it, pause the video here. So yeah, coming to the resources, as again I'm leveraging this Udemy course, and the second is the learn article which we will be looking at just right now to see the explanation given by Microsoft on this one. So yeah, let me quickly go through the web and yep, quickly go through the article. So it talks about defining the roles and rules in Power BI desktop, which I will show you. So on the modeling tab, you can go to manage roles, click on your role, click select the table, and define the security role for a particular table for any condition, right? So you can go through this article. You can manage the security roles like this. You can define the in the Power Decks editor. You can give the username function so that whoever whoever logs in through Power BI desktop can see their specific reports. So that is the meaning of row level security. We can target the reports at row level and also all the bases on the user login. So that is where this function is used, username. And yeah, and also you can manage security law on the model as well. When the report is published, you can go to Power BI service, you can select three dots, you can go to security, and you can manage the roles from there as well. So yeah, you can go through this article. It will polish your knowledge on this topic, and you will be able to solve questions coming at this, right? And for example of it is more important to go through these notes which are written, that is the test as a role feature does not work for direct query models with SSO enabled. So yeah, these notes wherever given in the articles highlighted in purple color should be read by you thoroughly so that you don't miss out on any important aspects which are crucial for this particular exam. So that is for this article. Now let's quickly go through the uh, Power BI desktop with a example. And yep, so yes, so yeah, this is a report. As again, I'm using this report again, same attrition data. I have this table where I'm using two columns, age and full name, from the table employee, name employee, right? So I want to apply the row level security at uh, this table specific for each column. So what you can do, as in the article, you can go to modeling tab, you can go to manage roles, you can select the table. So for example, I want to apply a dim employee, you can select this table, and you can select the age. For example, I want to filter it for 19, right? So this is age 19, and you can select this. So once I click on save, what this is, security role is applied, successfully applied. So what now it will do, all of these information will be automatically changed for those employees whose age is 19 once I log in, right? So it is not yet applied. I can see the data for other employees as well, like 18, 20, 21 age. But now in order to test it, you can use the option as view as. If you click on view as, you can select other user, let's say untitled one, because I have not defined the role name. You can click OK. Now what it has done, it's changed the settings, right? It's not working. Let's quickly check again. View as other user. Let's see. Click OK. Strange. Yeah, so now it's working, some glitch. So now viewing is untitled. So yeah, sometime happens, but yeah, it is changed now. Attrition rate is 14.5% for only those employees whose age is 19. In the table as well, you can see the data. So that is how you can slice and dice the reports at role level, right? And you can restrict the data, and if you want to share this to the particular leadership who want to look at employees at particular age, that's just for employees age. You can apply the roles at different columns as well, depending on the data you are segregating at. So yeah, this is about this topic, row level security. Hope you are liking this series. Do like and subscribe the channel, and yeah, I will see you on the next day. Take care. Bye bye.